Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you and your family members are keeping well, and I wish you and your family members a very happy new year. Today I have come up with a new video tutorial where I'll be explaining about CI and CD workflow. And the main objective of this tutorial would be to streamline the CI and CD process almost as production way. Basically, I'll be sharing my personal experience which I have gone through while setting up the CI/CD workflow from scratch. We'll be seeing or explaining what all tools that I have used in order to set up this workflow and how this has helped me to achieve the CI/CD workflow almost as a production way, right? So to share that experience, to share that learning, this tutorial is. And I'm almost certain that if you follow this for your CI/CD workflow setup requirement, this may help you to achieve the same. So let's understand the overall picture of the CI/CD workflow using these tools. As you can see in this screen, I have splitted CI and CD as a two separate components, and the tools that are being used as part of CI and CD are different except a few, right? In the left hand side, we have a CI stages or CI workflow, and in the right hand side, of course, CD workflow. And I am sure that almost all of us knows what is CI and CD stands for. So CI is basically continuous integration and CD is continuous deployment. So to talk about CI, as you can see, it has 4 stages, and again CD has also 4 stages. Now to talk about CI, if you see here, it's like from committing a code to creating an image and publishing that to AWS ECR covers the CI part. And on the other hand, from picking that published image to deploying that within the Kubernetes covers the continuous deployment part, right? So this is the overall picture. Let's deep dive into CI and CD individually to understand a better way. And post that we'll be seeing all of these things in action.